Okay. Perimeter of right angle triangle. So ultimately, you're trying to find perimeter of this. Okay. So, perimeter of this rhombus. Rhombus means all the sides are equal, right? Okay. So, I can find one side. Okay. Length of rhombus equals to 42 divided by 4. You get 10.5 cm. So this is 10.5. So 10.5 cm. Okay. So this. Now this one. Okay. Can you see that this pink one is actually this? Okay. Now, which is also this. So I found this is 10.5 already. I found. Okay. So I need to find the green one. This. Can you see that? This one will come from here. Okay? These four sides will add up to 34, but only one half of it. So 34 divided by 2 will give you 17 cm. So these two together will give you 17. Okay? So perimeter of triangle, right angle triangle. Perimeter of right angle triangle is 10.5 plus 17 equals to 27.5 cm.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns and questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam-smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Recife, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning. Boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.